Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 9 and today I'm going to show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. So let's get started. So if you want to factory reset your watch by using the phone application, one thing before we continue is that check the battery life on your watch. If it's below 20%, I recommend to charge your watch before you attempt the reset, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Okay, so to factory reset our watch by using the app, you need to open the app on the phone that is paired with your watch. In the application, you will need to tap on the menu icon right here, and then scroll down and look for the option called General. And once you find it, tap on it. And here you need to find the option called Reset, of course. Tap on it, then tap on Reset. The phone will ask you if you want to back up the data from your watch. I don't need to do it, but if you want to, you can open the Smart Switch application on your phone and use it to back up the data from your watch. I'm just gonna tap on Don't Back Up. And it should be any time now. It takes longer than I expected, but it's already resetting. As you can see, the watch is gone from the app, and after it's done, you will see the list of languages on the screen, which should be quite soon actually. Let's see. Okay, and here we have the list of languages and the reset is complete. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.